You've made this beautiful diagram. How are you going to tell everyone about it? The easiest way to share your bow tie diagram is using the share link. Head to the share link button, update your share link image, copy that link, and then paste it in a URL that you'll see here. This is a really easy way for anyone with the URL to access your diagram. The second way is to download. You can download this as a really high quality JPEG image, add it to your documentation or reports, and then share that file with everyone that you know. The last way to save and share the information is by using export. This will create an Excel document which you can re-import at a later date or extract the information from it in terms of the listings that we have there.